Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install Vencord. So, let's get started. The first step is to download the Vencord installer. To do that, open your web browser. Once it is opened, search for Vencord. Dev. Head over to the official Vencord website at Vencord. Dev. Once you're there, find and click on the Download Vencord button. Then click on the Download button again. This will start downloading the Vencord installer. .exe file. If your browser throws up any warnings, simply allow the download to proceed. Next, run the Vencord installer. .exe file. You might see a pop-up warning that looks concerning, but don't worry, this is just a false flag. All you need to do is click on More Info and then select Run anyway. For most users, the stable version will work just fine. Once selected, hit Install. Now that the installation is complete, open your Discord client. Head over to your user settings, and you should see a new section for Vencord. From here, you can start exploring and adding plugins and themes to customize your Discord experience. And that's how you install Vencord. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.